Alright guys, this is how you start off in a hip. First you put your first shingle as far this way as you can, where it's not entirely covered with the hip. Next you're just gonna want to make your steps. So space out about 6 inches to make the step. Got that on. Over. Right. Like that. Now, if I did it correct, you should line up perfectly to make your steps. Like that, you got to start it out. This is how you do the valley, so no joints line up in the valley. So first, put your shingle, nail right there. I cut this back to about the step below it, so it doesn't line up with this step, but the step below it. Grab this next shingle, put it on just like that. There, that way this is at least 6 inches out of the valley over here. Nail that. Grab this one. Boom. Doesn't land by this. That. Easy. Nail that. Grab this. There. No joints line up. No nails. No nails line up where the joints are. That way everything's completely waterproof. Now, just slap on the rest of the room. Got it. That one's going viral for sure. Right there. What in the hell? I don't know what the hell happened here, but we're replacing this side. Nothing on that side. So, start taking out screws. Do this. There's the trailer, quite a haul, but we'll make it work. Hey, get the fuck to work.
I turn that off.
So there's screws under or some shit. Let's do that for now.
Follow Rooftops on TikTok.
Hey. I'm gonna stand cut myself. Shit, this shit's not very sturdy. One more. Okay. I yanked my damn shoulder out of place or something. I stepped on that and it broke. Ouch. I'm all good though.
this out and show you guys. It all cut out. Now we're just gonna pull this off. Just gonna get this. Pull off all the plastic. It's all ready to go. So, as you can see, there's a lot of caulking oozing out. Up in there, before we put it all the way up, we're actually gonna go with more caulking to put it between the shingle and the skylight itself. Pushed it all up in there, got the caulking in there. I'm also gonna run caulking up under this and nail all this off. Guys, so pretty much all done here. Got caulking all above the top of this entire skylight, as well as in between the skylight and every single shingle, as well as in between each individual shingle itself. So no way water can get into this. Got caulking under the entire skylight, as you guys seen. Now relax. Caulk every single nail. I know I put so many, probably wasn't necessary, but it looks nice, I guess. Alright guys, that's a wrap.